Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you what I do myself to avoid eBay listings being taken down, because when I first started my business on eBay I had a big problem with this. Like every week I receive a notification from eBay: we removed this item for VeRO reasons, like I was using brand name in the title. And over the years I learned how to completely avoid this problem. So basically in the last few months I've never received any violation from eBay, because now I understand which titles I can use, which brands I should not use. That's why I come up with this idea to show you guys exactly how you can do this yourself to avoid problems in the future, so that you can run the business without worrying about this problem. Okay, so let me show you how we can do this. So because I am a dropshipper and I sell over $30,000 a month in sales, I cannot ignore this because it will literally cause my account to be suspended. Okay, so what I do exactly before listing any item. Okay, for example, I found this product and it's a winning product and I believe it will get a lot of sales. What I do before doing anything, I go to ChatGPT. You may already know this, but this is just one of the methods I use. I copy the title and they say, hi, I will send you many eBay titles and check if there is any brand name or any any brand name. And yeah, now you just need to click enter, and then whatever you paste here, any title you paste here, it will tell you exactly if it contains a brand name or not. I'm going to click enter. It says here, yes, this brand is a well-known electronics brand. Okay, so I shouldn't list this because this is a brand name, as you can see. Anchor is a brand name and it should not list this. Okay, before I wasn't doing this. I always look at the title, think, okay, this is good, I can just list it. But trust me, I was with big problems with eBay, a lot of violations, a lot of companies reaching out, remove this item before reporting you, a lot of things like that. You can literally ask ChatGPT, even if it evaluates other policies on eBay, if it's allowed on eBay. Is this allowed on eBay? You can just add that. It will check all the policies and see if it's if you are allowed to sell this on eBay. It will check all eBay policies. You can just say check all the eBay policies and stuff, and it will do just that. Okay, another thing I do is, if this product has a lot of sales and then I really want to take advantage of this, I list it for only 4 days, 5 days, and then remove it completely from my eBay store. Okay, that's what I do just to get some sales, and then I just remove the item from eBay permanently. I just remove it, click delete, and then delete it permanently. So this is exactly, guys, what helped me just avoid brand names in the title. By the way, if you guys want me to start your eBay dropshipping and you want me to scale your business, here is my Instagram, and I can literally take your eBay store from 0 to whatever number you want. Okay, up to $30,000. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this is my own Instagram username. If you have multiple eBay accounts, I can grow all the accounts if you want. There is no doubt about this. I can help you, so just reach out to me and they will help you guys. Okay, hopefully this tutorial, guys, helped you. If it does, please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. And yes, see you guys in the next tutorial. I will make sure to upload videos like this to help you guys avoid problems with your eBay business. See you guys.